How to sign in to Walgreens Employee Portal. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. Walgreens is an American company that operates the second largest pharmacy store chain in the United States. If you want to log into your Walgreens Employee Portal, you simply have to open up any web browser. Then head over to employee.walgreens.com. Here on this web page, you first have to select your location. After selecting it, click on the Continue option. Once you do, another page is going to open up and here you will find the Login portal. In order to log in, enter your ID, then enter the password. Once both the details have been entered, you want to click on the Sign On option. Then, after the verification process, you will be signed into your employee portal. In case you have forgotten the password, you have the option to reset that. Simply click on the option of Forgot Password and that's going to redirect you to this page. Over here, you want to enter your ID. After that, click on the Next option. Then follow the on-screen prompts in order to reset your password and create a new one. Once your password has been reset, you can log into your account using the new password, and that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.